everybody! I'm here today to show you how to clean a shower head. This will be an easy cleaning tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, the best thing about this cleaning method is that it is not only easy, but it is fairly straightforward and rather quick. It doesn't take a lot of time, and you don't even have to do anything with it. It's kind of like a set it and forget it method. So what you want to do is you want to get a container full of either white vinegar or a mix of white vinegar and water. Okay, now white vinegar is an excellent overall cleaning solution. It's fantastic for things like this. Now this is actually a mixture of white vinegar and water. I usually have this in a spray bottle. I poured the contents out from the spray bottle into here. I'm going to be using this for a wide variety of things. That's why I don't mind that there's quite a bit in here. And white vinegar is rather cheap to begin with, so it's not so bad if you end up using a lot of it. Okay, so what you want to do is take your shower head and you want to essentially submerge it in the white vinegar and water mixture, okay? Now, obviously, I'm just gonna probably end up having to rest it like this. I might end up transferring this into a smaller bowl because I thought it would balance on there, but it doesn't seem to be. There we go. So you want to submerge it in the white vinegar and water mixture. You can do it completely submerged, but with this specific shower head, I know for a fact that it was just inside of here that ended up being a little bit, that needed to be cleaned. So you want to leave it like that, submerged in white vinegar or white vinegar and water as a mixture. And you want to leave it for a minimum of 30 minutes, but you can go all the way up to 60 minutes if you really think it needs it. If it's just a little bit of cleaning, like if you're doing this on a regular basis, then you can leave it for 30 minutes. And you'll notice that the water will start to get, the vinegar and water, or just vinegar, will start to get a little bit discolored. And that's because it's cleaning out all of the rust, all of the dirt, all of the contaminants out from the shower head. If it is something that you're not doing often, like if you're doing this once every 5 years, like some people just clean it when it really starts to not work properly, then you want to leave it for an hour. And I would say up to an hour. After an hour, the cleaning will be done. So you can leave it overnight if you want, but after an hour, all the cleaning will be done. Then once you're done, you want to take it off like this, okay? And then you want to rinse it under water, okay? So you want to then take it and just literally just rinse it under water. What I'll do is I'll actually rinse it under water right now since I do have a sink. Now, obviously, I didn't leave it in there for an hour, but I'm going to. But you want to turn on the water and just rinse it under water. What you can do is let the water go right through there, okay? Because it is a shower head, so this is where the water would regularly be going in through, just like that. So you can just let it go right through there. I'd say rinse it underwater for like maybe a minute. It really doesn't take that long, okay? Then when you're done, you can take that shower head and you can just reinstall it. So the thing that I love about this method is that basically it doesn't necessarily require a lot of work. You literally fill up a small container or maybe a jar with a white vinegar or white vinegar and water. You can then place your shower head in there, allow it to sit for an hour if you want. Up to an hour, I'd say, would be more than enough. When you're done, you rinse it out with water, you reinstall the shower head, and it's done. And with white vinegar, depending on how much dirt is in there, you might be able to reuse the white vinegar. Like for myself, I know there's not going to be a ton of dirt from this, so I know I'll be able to reuse this white vinegar and water simply because it's not going to be that dirty, and the cleaning properties of the white vinegar will still be there. If it's really dirty, you know, just empty it out. But if it's only just a touch dirty, you could probably just reuse it for its cleaning properties. And that's basically it. That is essentially how to clean a shower head. This has been an easy cleaning tutorial, and I hope you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.